Hey YouTube, Garage Boys back at it again. Today we're working on a 2006 Jeep Grand Cherokee, and if you own this vehicle, there's a 99.99% chance that your door handle and the inside is broken. This one has actually both of them broken, front and back, but we're just gonna work on the front right now, driver's side. We bought the part on Amazon. It was $20, and we're gonna show you what you need to do, what tools are required, and how long it'll take you. Here we go. Okay guys, so this is the door for our vehicle. This is the infamous broken door handle. Yours probably looks the same or worse. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna get a Phillips star to start off. A Phillips screwdriver. We're gonna take this one off, that's one. Take this one off, that's two. And we gotta take this one off, that's three. So it's 1, 2, 3 screws. We're gonna take those off, and then we're gonna clip open the clips from the bottom with a flathead. I'm gonna show you that in just a second. Let me just take those 3 screws. Okay guys, we removed those 3 screws. Now what we're gonna do is just get a flathead, and we're gonna come down here to the bottom, and if you notice here, there's a little lip where you can insert your flathead, and what you're gonna do is just push it in and then pull towards you, just like that, and the clips will come out. Now this process is not perfect, but it's the way to do it. So you're just gonna keep going and going, and you're gonna hear the clips clip, and just continue doing it all the way through. After you have a little space, you can do it with your hands. There you go. And you're gonna continue doing it all the way through around the door, which is just probably 3 on that side, there's 3 at the bottom, and there's 3 on that side. So unclip those, and then we're gonna lift the door up by lowering the lock. But give me a second, let me unclip this, because I need both of my hands, and I'll show you. So unclip everything from all the sides, left, right, and bottom. Afterwards, just come in here, push down on the lock, bring this forward and lift it up, and it comes right out. You don't have to take that triangle from the corner, but as you can see, everything is basically already loose. And you're gonna come in here, and this is the famous door handle, which is all in pieces now. There's a few cables that we're going to take off, and it's going to be those right there. Most of them are just press the button and pull down. Well, actually all of them. So you're gonna do that with all of them. There's not a really good space for me to show, and I need both of my hands to do this. But just take off all the cables. There's gonna be the cables for the windows, the power locks, the mirrors, and what else? I think that's about it. Just take those off and take down the door handle, take down the whole door panel, and then I'm gonna show you where to install the door handle. Guys, the door panel is off. This triangle, which I mentioned before that we weren't supposed to take off, actually we do. It's just this little clip right here. Just pull it out. You can actually, once everything was loose, I just pulled it and it came out. It was very easy. You're not gonna break it, hopefully. It only had 3 clips, which was this 3 plugs, which is this one, and this one. This one actually goes right here. I just took it off. Take those 3 off, and it comes out really easily. Now we're gonna work on the door handle, which is this right here. This piece all broke out. I show you guys the other piece, how it was broken, but the way this mechanism works is you just push this back. Let me see if I can do it. Let me see. Okay, push that out of the way, and once it's out, just bring this up, and this comes right out. So there's the old piece. I already have the new one. The original one from the dealer comes connected to the door with like brackets like this, but the aftermarket piece that I bought has bolts. So we're gonna screw it in. Let me show you exactly what it is and how it goes. Okay guys, so we took out the door and everything. This is the part that we bought on Amazon. It was 20 bucks with the shipping included. Same color, driver's side, pretty cool. All right, we took everything out. The cable runs through here. These cables, and they run through here as well, so you're gonna run them through here. What you have to do, since the aftermarket part comes with bolts, the original part comes like, I don't know, bolted in with the plastic itself. What you have to do, because it won't fit, you kind of have to use a little knife and just cut. Let me see, can you get in here? Let me show you guys how I'm just gonna cut this one just like this, so you can make sure you just don't cut it all the way from the bottom, just the top like that. So you can remove these little pieces so that new piece will go all the way in, and that way you can still have space to bolt it. As you can notice, the bolts are very small. They just barely grab a little bit of thread. So that's all you need. So just clean up the area, because at the bottom you can see here all the pieces from the old one, they always just crack like this. So just take all that apart, clean it up, and I'm gonna just, the same way I cut that one, I'm just gonna cut all of them, as you can see. And then I'm gonna put it in. I'm gonna show you guys the final product in just a minute. You know what? If you guys can subscribe, you can click the little, where is it? The little circle here at the bottom. Subscribe and just leave a like or a comment if you want, but it helps us so you can make more videos. And let me show you guys the final product. Okay, so I put the door handle in just like that. Looks perfect, like brand new. Right now I just connected the cables back so they can hold the door, and I'm going to show you how to connect the door handle in the back. It's easy having a friend, but I'm doing it by myself right now. And if you come here to the back, so this is the new part that we bought, right? And then this is the wire that opens the door. Let me try and get a better angle. Okay, so what we want to do is just have this go in through this hole right here. So I'm just gonna push this. Let's see, just like that. Push it in just through the hole, and then slide this like this, and then push it. There you go. So now it grabbed in. Now it's locked into place. Now what you're gonna do is just put the door back up and run it through the lock, right through there, and push in all the clips. So let me show you guys. Okay, so I pushed the door through the lock. Make sure you push it all the way to the back, and you hook it up on the inside of the window. Don't leave it hanging on the outside, so it has to be all the way lined up. Just line up the clips now and just push them in, just like this. There we go, it's pushed in. Same thing with all around the door. Just push in and kind of tap it in, just like that, just like that. Just hit it all the way through, and it clips in. Okay, now all the clips are back in place. That's our final product. Now I'm just gonna put back the screws that we took off. They were the one that was here, the one that was here, and then the one that is over there on the side. And that's it. That's how you replace this door handle. It was an easy job. I guess it was like a 10-minute job or whatever. Maybe it's a little bit longer video, but it's just a 10-15 minute job. The part was $20. If you like this video, just please, before you leave, just please go ahead and click this little circle right here. Subscribe to us. It helps us make more videos. If you can subscribe and even turn off the notifications. We just need subscribers so that we can get YouTube support. So just please help us with that. Tell your friends, give us a like, and we'll be posting more videos. If you have a request video, just let us know and we'll try and do it. Thank you very much for watching. Have a great day.